What is the real meaning of shoes dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these type of dreams. So there are some common types of shoes dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees many people's shoes somewhere in a dream, then this dream indicates a trip to a religious place soon, in which you will travel with your family, friends or relatives to visit a religious place or temple, etc. Now number 2. If someone sees wearing old torn shoes in a dream, then this dream indicates a journey in which you will not feel very well. So to avoid this, you should avoid unnecessary journeys. Now number 3. If someone buys new shoes in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates a trip soon in which everything will be according to your plan. As well as this dream is also a sign of fulfill any desire soon. Now number 4. If someone sees tying shoelaces in a dream, then this dream is also considered very auspicious, which indicates progress in business, job, etc. Now number 5. If someone sees his shoes being stolen in a dream or sees shoes missing somewhere in a dream, then this dream is not considered so good, which indicates more expenditure on some kind of work. As well as this dream also indicates a delay in the success in any important plan or project. Now number 6. If someone sees or wears new shoes in a dream, then it indicates a new beginning and success in real life. As well as this dream also indicates that you have chosen the right path in waking life that will give you tremendous success in the coming future. Now number 7. If someone sees or wears dirty shoes in a dream, then it indicates not to start something new now because you will not get the desired result in your plans or projects. So you should make plans very carefully to avoid any kind of loss. Now number 8. If someone sees lost shoes in a dream, then it gives a kind of warning not to trust any stranger, as well as you should protect your valuables from cheaters because somebody can harm you for his personal gains. Now number 9. If someone sees or wears shoes that don't fit in your feet in a dream, or sees too small or too big shoes in a dream, then it indicates that you should adopt a positive attitude towards life, as well as you should focus on your current life goals. Only then you will be able to achieve the desired result in real life. Now number 10. If someone receives shoes in a dream or gets shoes as a gift in a dream, then it indicates a new beginning and success in real life without any hindrance. Or suddenly you can get huge benefit from somewhere without any hard work. Now number 11. If someone sees or wears black shoes in a dream, then it indicates that now you are going to achieve desired result in waking life. Now number 12. If someone sees or wears white shoes in a dream, then it indicates good fortune and happiness in life as well as spiritual growth in real life. Now number 13. If someone sees wet shoes or shoes in water in a dream, then it indicates that now in real life something is troubling you which is harming you a lot and is stopping your progress in many areas of life. So to avoid this, you should try to adopt a positive attitude towards life. Only then you will be able to face such stress and worries very easily.